Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Noise Zest 5W Bluetooth speaker. On the front of the box, we have an image of the speaker unit right in the middle, noise branding on the top, the name of the speaker on the bottom, and the description of the speaker, which is Bluetooth speaker, on the right hand side. On the left hand side of the box, we simply have a slogan that says, "Listen to the noise within." On the right hand side of the box, we have some design accolades. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, we have the BIS certification symbol. On the back of the box, we have a few of the specifications of the speaker, which include 5 watt sound output, 8 hours of total play time, TWS functionality, and IPX7 water resistance. Over here, we have the importing and manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various functions and features of the speaker. We also get a thank you note from the brand. And on the back, we have a QR code that you can scan to register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have 2 cables. The first cable is a 3.5 mm audio cable, and both ends have 3.5 mm audio jacks of the TRS kind. The other one is the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. Both cables are approximately 20 inches long. Finally, we come to the speaker unit itself, and as we can see, it has a grey color theme going for it. The top has a mesh-like fabric texture, and the noise logo is right here. On the bottom, we have a little hatch, under which we find the 3.5 mm female audio port and the micro USB charging port as well. Moving on, we have a few of the buttons that operate these speakers. From the left, we have the play and pause button. Next to it, we have the volume down button, volume up button next to that, and finally on the extreme right, we have the power on and power off button. Up here, we have a little strap that is approximately 4 inches long, and this basically adds a level of versatility to the speaker and helps it with portability and hanging it around if you need it to. On the bottom, we have a circular anti-skid pad, and in the middle, we have the noise branding. So let's get started with using this device. Power it on. Since this is the first time we are powering the device on, it will go into pairing mode automatically, as we can see thanks to this blinking LED light on the top surface. Next, we will go into the available devices section of the Bluetooth menu. As we can see here, the Bluetooth name of the device is Noise Zest 5W. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. That chime tells us that the speaker is connected to the smartphone, and we can see that on the smartphone as well, as it says here that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 70%. Now we can use this device to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Noise Zest 5W. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.